opera in its really true sense is one of the great Gesamtkunstwerk total art forms, where you have music, spectacle, dance, theater, visual arts, everything. And nowadays, most of them are multimedia, so it's really one of these total sensory, total aesthetic experiences. And in these big art work forms like opera, I mean, most people, even if it's an opera in your home language, it's so aestheticized that you don't even understand the language. So when you go to any opera, you have to actually know the story. Usually you read the libretto or you read the synopsis, you know the story. Otherwise, you're not really gonna get it from that. And you know, if you see an Ibsen piece or a Mozart opera, I mean, you know Don Giovanni, whatever, Tosca, you know it. And it occurred to me that there are a number of problematics in the 21st century with making new, big Yiddish text-based art. And the problems with it include the fact, I mean, to be overly simplistic, they're all based on ignorance of not only the milieu and the culture, but the language itself. Singers are trained to learn how to learn a language to sing in. They, you know, a great opera singer can learn how to, they probably all know German, French, Italian, and English, but if you give them a Spanish opera, they'll learn how to do that. That's their job. So you can teach them how to sing. Much easier to get a great opera singer to sing in Yiddish than to get a great actor to act in Yiddish. It's a different thing. Because, so that obliterates that. And vis-a-vis the audience, I believe that audiences know how to experience art in languages that they don't understand, whether it's through a combination of synopsis, libretto, translation, super titles. You know, we're familiar with this. You know, so in a certain sense, going to a Yiddish opera should be no different than going to a German opera, a Strauss opera, or something like this.